Welcome aboard Anima Maris. Today I'm giving you a full tour of this breathtaking 49-meter luxury yacht that's cruising along Croatian coastline. She's elegant, she's powerful, and she's designed to deliver one of the most unforgettable yacht experiences across Croatia. Let's get started. Let's begin with the exterior, because this is where Anima Maris truly shines. White teak decks stretch gracefully underneath your feet, offering uninterrupted views of the sea and the sky. Every inch is thoughtfully designed for elegant lounging or refined socializing over exquisite dining. This is outdoor living at its most luxurious. High above it all, the Sundeck of Anima Maris invites you to indulge in complete serenity. Here, a bubbling jacuzzi, a full-service bar, and elegant shaded lounges create a sanctuary of relaxation and refined pleasure. Whether you're sipping chilled champagne at sunset or starting your day with morning yoga, this is more than just a deck. It is your private haven at sea. Follow me as we step inside. Right away, you are welcomed with rich wood finishes, soft earth tones, and a layout that feels incredibly inviting and open. The salon radiates understated elegance, with natural light streaming through its grand windows. A refined dining table awaits, inviting you to savor the exquisite culinary creations by Chef Novak, or to simply enjoy family-friendly fun activities. Dining on Anima Maris is more than just a meal. It is a culinary delight. Chef Novak prepares each dish with care, using fresh ingredients and tailoring every menu to your preferences. The crew works closely with Goolets, making sure that every bite is just the way you like it. We've got 6 spacious cabins on board, including a luxurious master suite and an elegant whip suite. Each cabin is beautifully laid out, designed in soothing, calm tones. With ensuite private bathrooms, generous storage, and individually controlled climate systems, every detail is crafted for comfort in style. Dive into luxury and adventure. For thrill seekers and water enthusiasts, Anima Maris offers an unparalleled selection of water toys. Jet skiing across the bays, gliding on e-foil and electric surfboard, exploring on paddleboards and kayaks, laughing on Ringo rides, or snorkeling among marina life. Whether you're carving through the waves or exploring peaceful coves, every moment is tailored for unforgettable memories. Now, let's talk about what truly matters on a charter: the crew. On Anima Maris, the 9-person team is outstanding. They consistently go above and beyond, often creating moments you didn't even know you needed. And when your wishes seem nearly impossible, they make them happen, working seamlessly with Goolets to deliver the extraordinary. With Goolets, Anima Maris isn't just about where you go. It is about how you feel when you're here. And when every detail flows effortlessly, luxury becomes personal. Your luxury escape within reach begins here.